Joris doesn't know where to put our luggages, so we're waiting for the staff to ask where should we put it.
Est-ce que vous avez du café?
Pour long ou double?
Double pour moi. Et en snack, est-ce que vous avez des chips par exemple?
Chips, mini saucisson sec.
Do you want chips or small dry sausage?
Chips.
Okay, un paquet de chips s'il vous plaît. You want some drink? Are you sure? Okay. Ce sera tout. D'accord.
C'est ça, monsieur?
Ce sera tout.
Est-ce qu'il fera 7 ou 17 s'il vous plaît? Merci.
How much is your coffee?
460 I think.
Joris, c'est ça?
C'est ça.
Joris.
Joris.
Joris ou Joris?
Joris.
From the train station, tumawag ng Uber si Joris. So, papunta na kami sa Airbnb. Tingnan niyo yung Uber.
Carrefour, la filière qualité Carrefour, ce sont nos producteurs partenaires qui en parlent le mieux.
Je m'appelle Natalia.
This is our room for a month. Let's go. And voila. So let's start here in this area. It's a cabinet, kind of, and we have the intercom here for guests. And here there's electric fan hiding for
Mm.
summer because you know in France they don't have air conditioning. Well, some has, some don't. And here we have the kitchen. So there's shelves, built-in shelves with different things you can use for cooking, like the plates, glasses, and there's an old radio here. I don't know why.
I think the guy just listened to radio in the morning.
Maybe. So here's the sink. And down here is another cabinet for cleaning. And this is the dishwasher. And here we have the induction stove. And more utensils here. And here. And they have the microwave over here. And other things like kettle, toaster, and coffee maker. So this is the refrigerator and more storage for chopping. Next is the bathroom or toilet. So here we have the washing machine. It's so cute. And beside it is the toilet. No one really cares. And here is another storage for cleaning and tissue, toiletries, and this is the water heater. And over here, another storage for iron, and the board is over here. Okay, and behind me is the shower bathtub over here. Chan! And there's shelves here for the towels, and this is lavabo.
Boo.
Lavabo.
Boo.
Whatever. In Tagalog, it's lababo. And under the sink, another storage. And so, let's get out of here. And next to it is another huge cabinet for bed sheets, pillows. So we just put our luggages here for now. And in this side, we have a dining table, I guess. Well, it's gonna be our dining table for us. And next to it is the library, small library over here. The decors are nice. I guess the owner likes to travel a lot. And the TV is under here. Okay. And what's this? I'm not really sure what's this. Just more storage. Some magazines. And this is the living room. My favorite part. Look at this view. It's so beautiful. We have a garden in front of us, as you can see. And it's a private garden for families who live here. This apartments around us. And behind the living room is the bedroom. Magic! So there's a small, it's not really a bedside table, but yeah. And there's drawers over here. This one's broken, I think. Can't open it. Back. What's this? Mikado.
Don't know this game?
No.
Hello? What are you doing?
I'm checking to open the bedside light lamp. Cute. So I forgot there's a shelf here. And there's another shelf here. And they provided us with this. Thank you. So that's it for our accommodation for a month. This is located in Paris.
Fifth.
Fifth
Cinquième arrondissement.
arrondissement.
Hmm.
So yeah, I'll just put it over here because I couldn't pronounce French properly. Let's go to the garden. Yeah.